Hello. I have somebody with me this time. I have a partner today at this tour. It's the lovely Caitlin Fike.
Hi.
And I was saying yesterday in your live that I love your hair.
Well, thank you.
Yes, you're very good at styling your hair, I've noticed. I don't know how you do that, but it's very, I like the waves.
Oh, thanks.
You didn't answer me, so I have to tell you in person on live hair.
Okay, that works.
She was too busy real estating to notice the hair comment, right?
Yeah.
Hi, Megan. How are you doing? Say hi to Caitlin.
Hey.
Caitlin, say hi to Megan.
Hi, Megan. How's it going?
So it's Dione Irwin here with Dione Irwin Real Estate Team and Remax House of Real Estate, and it is Caitlin Fike with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team as well. I get to, she was doing an open house here today because it's a vacant home, and we're allowed to do them now in vacant homes. As long as we don't allow, what is it, like, is it one family at a time, Caitlin?
Yeah, just trying to keep everything spaced out, keep everybody happy and healthy.
Sorry.
And
come back here. Okay, there.
Yeah.
And yeah, so we try to keep everybody at a everybody kind of knows how to do the distancing thing, but everybody was excited to be at the open houses today.
Yeah, busy day.
Yeah.
Lots of people out shopping, looking for homes.
Yeah.
Looking to transition from something to something else. So
right.
Great for the market. Great to see lots of action. So
yeah,
really good day.
People are buying and selling. Just being careful about it, taking precautions. But I think people are realizing, you know, yes, this is a serious thing, but life, you know, life is going on, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
And so it's just the spring market, we feel like got a little bit delayed, and it's quite busy right now, and our team is really busy. So
really busy.
If you guys have, you know, if you're thinking of buying or selling, we are an essential service still. We always have been. I feel like I need to get a little bit closer to you. There we go. And we're here to help. So we can help you, we can guide you through it just like we always have. So I'm going to show you this house. Where are we, Caitlin?
We're at 287 Hillcrest Heights in Airdrie, in the neighborhood of Hillcrest, of course. And we are probably one of the highest points in this home right now in all of Airdrie. So incredible views
gorgeous.
Here. Nighttime is unbelievable. So this is a really fantastic home.
And the deck is like the width of the house, so you could sit on the back deck and just enjoy the view, enjoy the evening. It's on a green space. It's got a beautiful view. There's a pond just a few steps away. People are out and about. The trees are blooming. They're doing sod here today.
Yeah, new sod. So beautiful landscaping.
It's a new house. Yeah.
Fantastic for a walkout. So this has a walkout basement.
Yeah.
So you can enter right onto freshly laid sod. It's a beautiful home.
So gorgeous with the white kitchen.
Yes.
Hi, Jen. Hi, Lynn. How are you doing? Thanks for watching. Okay, so maybe we should flip this around. Do you want to go show? Do you want to give the tour?
Yeah. Let's go check out the deck first.
Okay, I'm going to flip it around. Let's follow Caitlin around. Okay, so this, I think, well, the whole thing's awesome, but okay.
So we have a minute of quiet because
just a sec. Okay, that's good.
Not running right now.
Right.
So kind of see everything.
Hi, Audrey. I'm here with Caitlin Fike, everybody, on my team, Dione Irwin Real Estate Team and Remax House of Real Estate. So we're showing this view. Okay, so that school over there is
brand new.
Beautiful school, and it's just such a nice view. The architecture here is gorgeous. At night, you can see the lights of Airdrie, which Airdrie is quite big now, so the lights are very pretty, right? So yeah, they're doing the landscaping here today. So look at the size of this deck. It goes all the way across the house, and that is an expensive upgrade to do. And that these people were they wanted to do that in this house, and it's got the gas line, so you can have your barbecue right there. You've got your door. Anything else you want to say, Caitlin, while we're out here?
No, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous place. You could here backs out onto all these walking and biking paths right over to the pond. Lots of
watch your kids walk to school.
Yeah,
right? Yeah,
absolutely. Lots of families out and about riding their bikes.
Yeah,
great neighbors here. Everybody's so kind. It's
Hillcrest.
a really great place. Yes.
So we're in the south end of Airdrie. which is it's a hot spot. People love this. Both ends are good, but
Definitely a sought after community here in
Yeah, it
Hillcrest
is.
for sure.
so there we go. So I'll show you the rest, and then we're gonna go in. Okay, let's go in.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. So now I also love this flooring. Let's show everybody the floor. I try to do that.
This is
So
really nice.
yeah, it's a wide plank, like kind of that little bit rustic, but not really. It's kind of more gray. It's the grayish, brownish. And okay, so living room over here. Look at that. It's got the gas fireplace. And this also has, what about the garage in here?
The garage is fantastic. So you've got the double and the tandem, so you have that
Yeah.
much extra space, so you can still have, you know, 2 vehicles and motorcycles and bikes or strollers or whatever it is. You don't have to pick and choose what's going in the garage. You could just have all of it
Yep.
in your garage.
That's
Everything's enclosed. So it's fantastic. Really hard to find those tandems
Right.
in a larger
Yes.
home still.
Yeah. How big is this home?
This home is almost exactly 2,500 square feet above grade, so
Right. Big.
big.
Yeah.
And we haven't even accounted for the basement yet, so it's undeveloped, which means that you can take it and make it whatever you want, but then you're going to have that much more living space when it's finished. So
And we got to show them the upstairs because
yeah,
we
let's go
haven't.
check out the upstairs.
But you got to go and show the kitchen. Okay,
Okay.
so we've got a cooktop,
Yes. So we have the cooktop
hood fan, upgraded,
fan, gorgeous white
and drawers.
cabinetry,
Yeah.
tile.
Yeah, and then this part I love.
Yes.
It's got the wall oven,
Yes.
and look at this. It's like a little butler's
Like the
prep,
butler's
every prep
pantry.
area. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
so
an
we have-
extra prep
You
area.
have prep area back here.
Huge.
Very big pantry.
Yeah, look at that.
Lots and lots of space in here.
Yeah,
It's fantastic.
it's really, really good. Oh, it's raining there, Audrey, is it? Oh, it's sunny here. It did rain this morning.
Yeah, kind of on and off. It's
Yeah.
cloudy, then it's sunny.
It's a little bit
and
muggy, but you know what?
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's a beautiful,
Let's
beautiful day still.
show everybody the entry. The entry is very big. Okay, so you come in the entry here. Hi, Gina. Thanks for watching. I'm here with Caitlin. Caitlin Fike. Okay, so here's the entry. But there's room for a bench. We have a little table. Got our special sanitizers and everything for when people come in. And then it's got a really large mudroom area as well down here that leads to the triple tandem garage. Okay, should we go upstairs?
Yeah, let's go upstairs.
Okay, let's go upstairs. And so there's that view. I'll give everybody a view of the, so this is what you see when you come down the stairs. So pretty. We actually did a little photo shoot in here of our team. We love this house so much,
We do.
right?
This is a beautiful home.
Okay, so there's a really cool part. Okay, so up here, bonus room. This part is just the main level is staged in this one.
Yes. So you do walk right up to this very large bonus room.
Yeah.
And this
The
house
light.
actually has 4 bedrooms up, which is really hard to find. And on both ends of the house, you have master and ensuite.
Yeah.
Other side of the house, you have a second master and ensuite.
I know, I love that part.
So cool. You can have, and then you have 2 bedrooms in between.
Yeah.
And a really fantastic
Main.
upstairs laundry.
All right.
So with the
Show
sink.
us, Caitlin. You
Okay.
lead the way. Okay, we got a vaulted ceiling.
Yes.
And so it could be great, that other ensuite you could have for your nanny or,
Yeah. Teenager that, you know,
Parents.
wants their own bathroom.
Yeah.
Parents. You still have the fantastic view
yep,
out this side.
yeah, beautiful.
Yes.
Hi, Brian. How you guys doing? Hope you're having a good weekend. Okay, the ensuites. We have a walk-in closet. It's a large walk-in closet. We have the private toilet here. And then
Big
soaker,
soaker tub.
double sinks with drawers.
Drawers, yes.
And then the tile shower. Ooh, it's pretty nice. Okay, let's keep going.
Really
where,
nice.
where do you want to show us next? I love the other, that it's got 2 ensuites.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
And I love as a mom the
Mhm.
upstairs laundry with the sink. I think it's fantastic.
Oh, this one has a sink too, doesn't
yes.
it? Yeah.
Yes. So
See it. Yeah, it's so nice, and it's a really good size. You have room to
Yes.
put your hanging rack.
Yeah,
so to be out
absolutely.
here in the bonus room.
Yeah, you have so much space in here.
Yeah,
And then you can just shut
close
the
the
door.
door.
and- yeah.
that's right. Because sometimes when you have upper laundry, it's upper, but there's only room for that. So this
Yeah.
one you can fit all the
Yes,
stuff in
yeah,
it.
It's not a closet. It's
Right.
an actual room.
Room.
And then you have two more really good sized bedrooms
Yeah,
up
those are
here.
big. Yeah, they are actually really big. You could fit definitely queens.
Oh, absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, they're bigger than the average bedroom.
Yes.
For sure.
Then the
Double
bathroom here
sinks.
has the double sinks.
Yeah.
Really large, very deep bathroom.
Goes back here, so it's kind of more private. So, like if you have two kids, one could be showering, the other could be getting ready, and it's kind of separated.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now here's the other master.
So this is fantastic because it does have the larger closet. It does have these really, really big windows as well.
Yeah. Oh, they're landscaping out there.
They are.
See, there's our people beautifying the yard. Okay, and then this another ensuite.
Yeah.
So it's not as big, but it's a full ensuite, right?
Yeah.
So the other one's like, you know, the owner master suite or whatever you want to do, and then, but it's very rare to have this, right?
Very rare.
Yeah. Okay, so there's our tour of 287 Hillcrest Heights. There's so many favorite parts about it. I can't even pick one.
There is.
Like the kitchen, the white kitchen, the view, the double masters.
It's huge.
So, okay, if you guys want to see this, give us a call. You can message us on here. One of us will call you back. We'll make sure we get in touch with you if you want to see it. Give us a message. You can call 403-483-9208, the office line. You can reach either of us. You can ask for Caitlin, and we will make sure we get you into this house. You can also share this if you know anybody that you think would love it. Share it, like it, tag somebody.
Yes.
All right? So thank you, Caitlin, for the tour, and we will see you all soon. We hope you're all having a great day and have a lovely evening. All right? Bye from Dione and Caitlin. Oh, sorry, I'm cutting you off. Okay, bye.